Hey, it's your birthday. Self-titled. This is their first album released in year 2016. Well, let's start. Front cover. Actually, there's four alternative cover on this album, I believe. Yep. Yeah. That's really cute. Yes. The title and catalog number. BOM064. Yep. Okay. Inlay part. Yep. No barcode. And there it is. Bomba Records. BombaPress.com. And the track list. Yeah. Okay. Let's check what's inside. Yes. Oh, no. Okay. Nice. Yeah. 2016. Credits. And special thanks. Yep. The CD. Okay. This is a CDR copy. Yes. HIYB. Yeah. This part. Yep. As you can see. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, there you go. The booklet. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, wait. A second. Alright. Yep. Yeah. Yes. And the art. Okay. Wait. Alright. Okay. Can you see it? Is it clear? Just let me know, okay? Yeah. Yep. Okay. The lyrics should above. Yeah. Oh. Alright. Okay. Oh. Alright. Right. Okay. See it. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wait. Alright. 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 And here's. Oh. Okay. Just in case. If gets blurred. Let me know. Right. Oh. Ghost dog. Alright. Okay, wait. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, nice. Okay, nice artwork. Okay, this one. Oh, okay, and last. Yep, rest in peace, Lumi. Art by Eric Francisco. Yep, that's it. Alright, Let's check their social media. Okay, follow their Facebook page. Hey, it's your birthday. Listen to Spotify. Follow them on Twitter. Follow them on Instagram. And listen to Bandcamp or buy a digital track. Alright, that's it for tonight. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe, everyone.